Welcome to another video from Darren Higgy, Hornby GWR. Wishing you all a happy new year. Hopefully I had a good one. I apologise there's not been much videos. I've been at a model railway club I've been starting. So what I've been doing, as you can just see to the right of the screen just here, and here, I've been actually trying something totally new, using Hornby's other range of stuff, and that is basically, if you look back to what I didn't like for about 2021, you will see where the mansion house is, everything. But if I spin the camera quickly, this is what I've been up to. My first attempt, sticking trees down, the bushes, everything. And then if I just lift the camera up, and this is what I moved on to doing. And then that's what I'm doing right now. Just trying this out. So I do wanted to film that progress to because I'm still learning the ropes, everything. I had to use a ruler, everything, pencil, paint brushes, basically, like these ones here, to apply the glue, everything, to make sure I get enough on. And then basically then scatter loads of this over the area, allow it to all stick down, and then use the desktop vacuum cleaner to hoover the excess off and what was stuck down stayed. So basically, further ado, we are looking at what it says here, left bit, and in the Scaledale range, and the product number, if you want to get it, I'll put it below as well, is R7352, and that's the other side. And this is the back of the thing. This is what you could create with the other products, what you can get. So really lovely. So this is a unboxing of this. This came yesterday, but I was just too busy and a bit tired, and also that's what is at the back of the box as well. So further ado, let's get this out. And I haven't actually got much. People wondering what is been my Christmas been like. Not very nice when you've been ill with the flu and you've got epilepsy like me, and then you have violent tonic-clonic epileptic seizures, and you spend it in intensive care for 6 days if you didn't get the flu jab. Unfortunately, I got the flu jab. It could have been worse. It could be 6 months. I could have been in hospital in intensive care. So apart from that, let's get back to this building. How I don't know how else in the earth to copy out this piece, because this is a new thing. There's no thing at the back, so I probably guess, yeah, you just pull it out. I'll just make a little bit of mess. remove that. This is basically a house. As you can see, you can join it up. I am going to add light to this, so I'll probably run my lighting equipment up here. Be difficult to get it up there with my fingers, but hey ho, I'm going to give it a go. Hornby Hobbies Limited 2022. Blimey, we're in 2025 already, and this is 3 years old. So yeah, I can't believe it. So lovely detail on the paintwork, showing out all the bricks, the mortar, roofing details, showing all this. I can't wait to see what it really does look on the layout when it's all done. So what I do is put the building down with the pencil, draw around it, and then from where the door is, I'll make like a path. So yeah, that's really going to be helpful very much. So basically there's going to be another video coming out as soon as possible, but I don't know when. I've got another one of these to look at, that'll be coming out hopefully next week or the week after, and then after that I don't know when would be another video. I don't feel comfortable just yet to make a video of what I just showed you, so hopefully you understand this. So thank you very much to watch this review. Please subscribe to my channel, please click like, and give this video a thumbs up as well, and keep watching out for new videos. Hopefully I can get them up as soon as I can. Cheers. Right guys, before you watch another video of Darren Hickey Hornby GWR, there's 3 steps you need to do. Step 1 is hitting the subscribe button. As you've done that, step 2, hit that alarm bell there. Step 3, hit the like button, and you'll get notification on when the next video is due for my next videos.